is the world's first all-in-one microbit robot. A small, versatile, codable computer to help children pick up programming with ease. BotBit is compatible to microbit's full range of coding languages like Scratch, MakeCode, EmuEditor, and MPython. Externally, BotBit resembles another open-source robot called Otto. However, you'll find the difference once you start fixing it yourself. We have since upgraded BotBit. You can now construct its appearance, design a mask for it, BotBit now has a pair of customizable arms. Its legs are interchangeable to a set of speedy wheels and a pair of super flexible arms. Using another microbit, you can command BotBit to take on any challenges. Invite a friend for a game of soccer. Use BotBit inbuilt sensor to race. How about a friendly game of sumo wrestling? Take BotBit to the next level with its built-in Bluetooth technology. Interact with each other and synchronize your moves. Let's dance the night away. BotBit provides endless hours of fun and learning. It is always waiting for you to fuel it with your imagination. BotBit, more than just a robot.
BotBit is created by two passionate STEAM education companies, Gaia Maker and LabPlus. The technological revolution is set to make many jobs obsolete and open up new opportunities for the future. We created BotBit to help our children develop critical thinking and creativity using coding. Our engineers spent the last 2 years testing different prototypes to integrate the essence of STEAM education into it. This has resulted in a perfect blend of architecture, ideal for technology education. Whether you are a budding amateur, an innovative educator, or a seasoned maker, BotBit is something for you. Join our Kickstarter campaign to bring BotBit to life.
The UltraVac is a ultra-portable, high-powered vacuum used for convenient cleaning on the go. UltraVac is powerful and easy to use at a fraction of the cost compared to similar hand vacuums on the market today. With your guys' backing and support, I'll be able to bring UltraVac to market. The money raised will be used for the necessary tooling, parts, and resources critical to UltraVac's success. My name is Matthew Skelf. I'm the creator of UltraVac, and I want to thank you guys for checking out my Kickstarter.
Imagine having Iron Man's Jarvis on your desktop that writes your letters, draws your pictures, laser engraves your phone case, and plays chess with you. Today, it all becomes possible with HexBot, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robotic arm that turns your desktop into a workshop. The 0.05 millimeter high precision and maximized speed ensure the ability to complete all kinds of work. The unique drive circuit design eliminates the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. HexSpot can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. HexSpot can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. HexSpot can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on HexSpot and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with Blockly, controlling HexSpot would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control HexSpot in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring HexSpot to the next level to build a production line on your desktop. We are bringing our product here on Kickstarter. We have iterated and tested the product in the past 2 years. The product is now ready for manufacturing, but we need your help to press play on production. Back us today and start to bring your ideas to life.
The microbit is an educational single-board chip, which the PlenBit uses as its brain. The PlenBit is a small robot only 13 centimeters tall with 8 movable joints allowing a multitude of movements. Using motion such as walking, dancing, and waving, you can find many ways to have fun with PlenBit. The PlenBit has both a distance sensor and sound sensor that can be used to prevent it from crashing and turning automatically. The microbit is equipped with a JavaScript block editor accessed from any web browser and is suited for beginners. Using this, you can easily program your PlenBit by dragging and dropping. Through assembly, you can learn about the mechanisms and makings of a robot. By bringing together all these sensors, you are free to imagine and create your own unique actions. With just one PlenBit robot, you can quickly exchange microbit chips to test other programs. PlenBit is currently being developed by Plen Project, and the prototyping stage is already finished. At the time this campaign is launched, mass production development will have already started. PlenBit marks a new era of connecting with robots. Not only kids, but anyone with curiosities towards robots will find something new and exciting with this opportunity.
From the team that brought you Rocket Smart and Codrone, Robolink is bringing a new girl into town, and her name is Zoomy. We're in a world where the use of artificial intelligence is rapidly growing. AI and autonomous driving is the future, but there are limited resources for learning. That's where Zoomy can help. It's the first compact, affordable educational kit focused on self-driving car technology. With Zoomy, you'll learn skills in deep learning, machine vision, basic robotics, Python, self-driving car decision and ethics, and routing algorithms. You can train Zoomy to learn a new route, and she will get better and better as she learns the route. Yay! And Zoomy isn't just for hardcore geeks. Zoomy makes learning about AI approachable for everyone. Yay! Zoomy is equipped with industry-standard tools, TensorFlow, and OpenCV. These are the same tools used today by self-driving car engineers. And Zoomy makes learning all this easy to pick up and go. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, this is where you come in, Kickstarter supporters. We've sold products to thousands of people in schools around the world. Back this project and help us bring Zoomy to more people and students around the world. The team at RoboLink is a group of engineers, teachers, designers, and entrepreneurs. Their goal with Zoomy is to make education about AI and self-driving cars accessible and fun. Zoomy, your guide to the exciting world of artificial intelligence and self-driving cars.